I give counsel to the emperor, since he does all his affairs by counsel. And he would do neither less nor more than as much as his counselors want him to say and do. And I counsel him, if he wants to be worthy, to give without counsel from now on, and without counsel with his barons. Let him believe the counsel of the most worthy, for thus is the counsel of an emperor. Then I counsel him his honor. Let him believe me if he wishes, or let him leave it. And if the seneschal does not grow angry about it, nor coin of the greater counsel, I will be a good counselor, and I will give counsel to those too, when they counsel their Lord, that they counsel him to give rich gifts. But I do not know if both will believe me, nor do I want to force them much. And if he does not improve in the flower, the fruit could be bad. And let him guard that he does not lower himself by his wrong, for he has risen to great honor, and is beautiful and of good character. And if he wants to believe my sermons, he will never have shame nor harm from it. Rather, great honor and worth will be his, for he loses those who stand with him. They will come late to his dwelling.
Let him fear neither cold nor heat, nor bathe nor rest in palaces. For on his neck he carries such a load that if he is not of great worth,
he will hardly be able to bring it to an end. For the blacks and the Comans and the Russians, the Turks and the pagans and the Persians will be against him with the Greeks. And if he does not draw trouble through worth, everything he has done can come undone. For he and we are all sinners. For the burned churches and the palaces, where I see clerics and lay people sin. And if he does not succor the sepulchre, we will be greater sinners before God, for the forgiveness will turn to sin, and the conquest will not go forward. But if he is generous and courageous, he can easily go campaigning to Babylon and to Cairo. He should show to the Turks beyond the Rhone.
for all the sultans and the alcaides
And the admirals and the almanzors expect to throw and shoot, and Nevelos will be blamed for it, and the 12 electors will blame him. If the sepulchre is still in prison, and the Duke will be called deceitful by me, if he wishes to withdraw from the Saka.